guys, it's me, Kelly. Time for another great review. This time, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Michelangelo special sound effects. Let's take a look at Michelangelo in the packaging. As you can see, Michelangelo really does not come in a package, but he's attached to a card back, allowing you to play with him and see all of the sound effects he can make. The bottom of the package does show Michelangelo with his brothers and showing that this is the Power Sound Effects version. On the back, we get a look at the other turtles that are in the sound effects wave and a look at Shredder. So let's take this turtle out of the package and see how he is.
Yuck. You guys won't like it. I'll take the rest.
No way! So, out of your box, you do get Michelangelo. He is nicely sculpted with an angry face, which, for me... Can you be quiet for a minute, please? Thank you. Which, for me, doesn't work really for Michelangelo. He's supposed to be the fun-loving, party time. Figuring this is supposed to be for boys fighting, I guess it's okay. His head is very tight, but does turn left and right. Does not go up and down. His arms is where you control the sound. On the front of his shell, you'll see two little slots for the speaker.
Look out!
And the arms are on a pull string to pull them straight back. No
way!
There is no... There's no articulation at the elbows. The wrists are extremely tight. The legs are on ball joints, so they do go back and forth nice and smoothly. They don't control the sound, thank God, sometimes. The knees look like they should bend, but they don't. But they do turn slightly left and right.
No way!
The knee pads are sculpted on, as well as the bandages. On the back, the shell is all sculpted. There's 2 screw holes so you can replace the batteries if you choose to, or remove the batteries if you choose to. There's 2 slots for his nunchucks, which come with him as well. They're all molded in brown color. And it would have been nice to see some touches of silver or some kind of wash, because they're very monotone. And they slip... And they slip in to the back very easily and securely. So that's great when a toy comes with a place to put the accessories so you don't lose them. As you've been hearing throughout this review, Mikey's arms are extremely sensitive, and the longer you hold them down, the longer the sound will last.
No way! This is epic!
And what's great, it is the same voice actor that does Michelangelo on Nickelodeon's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles series, who gives us the voice of Michelangelo. How does he compare to the basic figure? Well, let's take a look. Let's see how Michelangelo compares to the other Mikeys that have been released in the last year.
Of course it is, bro. You guys always underestimate me. Ooh, gum!
As you can see, Power Sound Effects Michelangelo is a 6-inch figure compared to the basic figure, which is 4 inches. So he's in line with the rest of the Masters of the Universe and other 6-inch figures. A lot more detail went into the face, as we could see teeth, tongue, and even eyes. Where on the basic figure, all we get is the whites of the eyes and a few teeth. The coloring is exactly the same. Same orange, same browns. So the continuity is there. But Mikey has come out in 2 other forms this year. Mikey did come out in a few other different sizes besides the basic figure. Here's Power Sound Effects Mikey next to the Lego Mikey. Different shades of green, but it is so cute where you can see Mikey saying,
This is epic! No way!
about himself being an action figure. Plus, we had the Mash'ems Mikey also. Power Sound Effects Michelangelo is on sale now and can be found at your local retail stores. Till next time.
Get right with the shell shock pizza king. Can't stop these radical dudes. The secret of the ooze and the chosen few emerge from the shadows to make their move. The good guys win and the bad guys lose. Leonardo's a leader in blue. Does anything it takes to get his stitches through. Donatello is a fellow, has a way with machines. Raphael's got the most attitude on the team. Michelangelo, he's one of a kind.